Alright, so this is where we ended up on this Mountainboard project. I've got the foot platforms on here, I've got the top, I've got biaxial glass, and I've got the whole bottom stringer glassed. And I've got the 3D printed base plates all printed up. And the thing I'm worried about with the 3D printed base plates is the truck mount platform being strong enough. So for now, I'm trying to see if just adding some washers is enough. One more thing about the base plates is I don't have resistance figured out yet. So there's no resistance at the moment. So that will be a later date thing. Last thing is I've got these 8-inch scooter wheels on there, and that's I figured that's good enough for most of the grassy hills I've got for the easy testing around the neighborhood, and then also it's good enough to use on the roads, whereas the pneumatics are just way too slow for the nearby roads. So this will be good for kind of getting a better feel for it. So now it's just time to get some riding on it and start getting some impressions and working our way towards a full build. Okay, so it definitely has a little too much flex. I underestimated how strong the stringer would be, and when I push it and I carve, there's too much drop in the front, and the flat spot's too big. It's kind of clunky. I can feel the flat spot way too much. That's in the cam. But the rear feels good. So this front just needs to be just a little bit higher. Give me a little bit of that top mount leverage. The turning feels really good. It's very turny. And the width, having this full 11 inches, is really good. First off, these foot platforms are really, really good. These are just right on the money. Yeah, they feel really good. The platform, the foot platform size, like the stance width, is really good. It has just an extra inch over the previous board, which is just enough. And this thing turns, it's really maneuverable. I do need to switch out the front cam for a super carved cam that's got it's much more rounded with a really small flat spot. And aside from that, only other thing is there's a crack on the base plate now. I don't know if you'll even be able to see it. It runs from this corner down across diagonally to there. And that happened when I dropped down the ledge, the lip of a driveway while hard into a turn. And I'm pretty surprised it cracked here, but I suppose it's because the wall of the channel was stressed and the bolt hole pattern over there was stressed, is my guess. I would have expected it to crack where it's thinner down here. That's not necessarily a big deal. We'll just have to see. Yeah, it's possible to make these with the base plates in 2 halves even, so where it doesn't even have to have this attached in the middle. And I was contemplating that, but if it wasn't 2 parts, this would not have cracked. So I'm not sure if this needs to be just more flexible in the middle here, or what. So that's just going to need some further investigation. But as of right now, it's not going to stop me riding these trucks. So, not quite ready to hit the dirt yet, I don't think, but I'm still pretty happy with what we've got so far, with the fact that the cams, with the fact that the base plates are a good fit, and mechanically they're working well, even if they do have some other things to work out. And I guess there we go. I'll have another development soon enough. Longboard Technology, over and out.